Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to add a button to your fabric. I'm putting this on a jacket because I always almost lose my wallet. Buy one of these kits from like Hobby Lobby or something. I actually got this from a garage sale. It's old as heck. It has instructions on the back and it comes with everything you need. This, and over here you got different types of button. There's 4 different ones. You got this piece here, and this piece goes onto here. And then this piece right here goes onto this one. And then you got this little tool here, and you could flip it over. So this inside bowl looking thing is for this piece, so it doesn't dent it. And then this one over here embeds into the other side, so you can hammer this piece into there. You take this tool right here, see how it has that little shape, and you place it on here and you tap it with a hammer one time. Or sometimes you can use a pliers like this and just squeeze it just right and it will bend it. I'm gonna do that right now. Figure that out, instructions are on the back.